Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So recently I picked up a spare starter for about $20 Canadian. You can never have too many spare parts. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to test a used starter to make sure it's functioning properly. This is going to be applicable for basically any starter. So all you're really going to need is some jumper cables, your car battery, and maybe some alligator clips or some wires to hook to the starter. So let's just get to it. All right, guys, so this is how you're going to be setting up to test the starter. So you're going to put a negative onto ground. So anywhere on the starter body is ground. That will be a positive lead from your battery, basically. So this is how it's hooked up, negative and positive. And then it's going to be hooked up to, the positive and negative. The positive is connected to your starter right here. This is basically your input for the ignition. So now when you touch like the positive to the ignition, your starter should fire up. So as you can see, that is a perfectly good running starter. There's no kinks, nothing, so it just fires up and it spins. So that's what you want to look for. There's no like weird operating ways of the starter, no weird clicking, all that kind of stuff. So it agitates that, no problem. So the solenoid and the starter works perfectly fine. All right, guys, so that's basically it for this video. I hope this helps you guys out. If you haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe, and share my videos. As always, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.